What's up, y'all? Today is day 5 of 75 Hard. I want to talk about this because I think this is universal, and it's something that I learned just doing this program. It's been phenomenal so far. I'm not burnt out, and it's actually, I'm not gonna lie, it's super easy. Main reason why, and I'm gonna tell you guys this, wholesaling real estate is difficult for you is because you take a simple concept and you completely just blow it out of proportion. So this program that I'm doing right now, it says I gotta work out 45 minutes outside, 45 minutes inside, right? That's the most difficult part for some of you guys is drinking the gallon of water. I highly recommend alkaline water. That shit just goes straight through you. But let me tell you guys what the challenge really is about. It's about making things in your life a priority, and it's about not making excuses and absolutely zero procrastination toward doing the shit that you know that you're supposed to do. So I see a lot of people take something simple like a wholesaling real estate concept, right? What is wholesaling real estate? Number one, you market to a bunch of prospects. Number two, you find a motivated seller, you negotiate with those sellers a purchase price, you get a contract signed, then you sell those contracts to investors of which you then get money for, correct? So guys, what a lot of people are doing is they're overcomplicating very, very simple processes. And it's not the list that you're cold calling, it's not the software that you're using, it's literally you that's making something more difficult than it needs to be. And so I wanted to make this video because I see a lot of people on YouTube that are doing this program right now. And you guys are burning yourself out. You're doing your 45-minute workout outside and you're fucking killing yourself doing it. You're doing your 45-minute workout inside and you're killing yourself doing it. And that's the thing right there, guys. It doesn't truly tell you what kind of workout that you have to do. And so I realized right up front, just from the beginning of doing this program, that if I went all out outside, that I would get burnt out within the first week. So I'm doing a workout outside that is natural and it's smart, and I'm power walking. I'm power walking, and then 5 to 10 minutes before I go inside to my office, I, at that point, am doing anywhere between 100 push-ups to 100 sit-ups, just to say I did it. And so guys, that is a simple thing to do, to just go outside and power walk for 45 minutes. And it's not about taking shortcuts. You see, what I love about this thing, right? So Andy talked about this, and I want to tell you guys what he said. He's like, it's not a fitness program. It's a mental toughness program. So there's this book that I read. I love this book. It's called Think and Grow Rich. It's not called Work Hard and Grow Rich, because if that was the case, then people who build houses would make way more money than I make in the real estate investing business, because I damn sure don't pick up hammers. Now, again, not dogging on those professions. Those are, again, we need folks to do that. And I thank them for the servitude of being able to go out there and throw their blood, sweat, and tears into building something that's beautiful. Never gonna take that away from someone. But if you're trying to create wealth, you gotta realize that everything that you do is a concept, right? A concept that can be simplified and added to any business, whether you're selling shirts, whether you're flipping shoes. You see, business is universal. People, place, price, product, promotion, process. All 6 of these literally align with every single business that you can possibly think of. And where people fail, they just overcomplicate the process. So guys, you know, today's day 5. I still got a long way to go, 70 more days, but let's get it. That's my tip for y'all today. Don't overcomplicate a very simple process. I'll see y'all later.